Hello bachcho, how are you? So now in this video we are going to start the second part of algebraic expression, that is multiplication. In multiplication there are three types, right? We have to study. First one is when a monomial is multiplied with monomial. Second is when a binomial is multiplied with monomial. And the third one is multiplication of binomial to a binomial. So these three types we have to study under the multiplication of algebraic expressions. So you know that what is monomials? Monomials means an algebraic term, right? Like suppose it is written as 3xy or 3x 9 by 2y square. So only single term is known as monomial, right? And binomial is when two terms are added with either with multiplication or with subtraction. Suppose 19x square plus 13z square. So this is binomial. So these three types we are going to study. Now we are going to start with the first type, that is monomial is multiplied with monomial. When a monomial is multiplied with a monomial. So here if we have two monomials, suppose we have 3ab and we have to take the product or multiplication of 4abc. This is a monomial, this is another monomial, we have to take the product of that. So what we have to do, first we have to multiply their numeral values, that is 3 into 4 and then a into a. So here we are using some basic concepts of exponents also. Means in exponent you know that when power base is same you can add the powers, right? So here a into a, so a power 1 plus a power 1. Why? Because here power of a is 1. Into b, here also b power 1 plus 1 and c is alone, so c. So you will get the answer 3 4s are 12, a square b square c. This is your answer. So this way you have to take the product of the monomial. Now I'm going to take some examples from your book. So one example is given as minus 8 by 5 a square b c cube multiply with minus 3 by 4 a b square c. This is the question that we have to solve. So first we have to multiply with numerals. So minus 8 by 5 multiply with minus 3 by 4. And then here a square. So a power 2 plus a power 1 because here power is 1. Then b power 1 plus 2. And then c power 3 plus 1. So you can also cancel it out. Here 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and 2 3 is 6, minus and minus. You know that the product of 2 minus it becomes plus. So 2 3 is 6, 6 by 5, a cube, b cube, c power 4. This is your answer. This way you have to solve it. Some other questions in this type is, means you have to first find it out the product, and after that you have to check your answer. The value of some variables are given actually. So you have to check the answer, that answer is correct or not. So this type of question, I'm going to take one question from exercise. Question reads as, find the product of AB. Find the product of AB with A square plus B square. This product you have to find it out, and again you have to check or evaluate it for, we have to evaluate it for A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 by 2. For this we have to evaluate it. First we have to find the product, and after that we have to evaluate for this given value. So now we are going to take the product. So AB, A square plus B square. So we have to apply the distributive law. So AB into A square plus AB into B square. So here we get A power 1, 2. So A power 3, B plus AB cube. So this is the product. Now we have to evaluate it. So here we are going to put this value. If this is equation 1, put A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. So 2 cube into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube. So here 8 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 8. 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar, 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. You are left with 4 plus 1 by 4. 4, then take the LCM. 4 4 jar 16, 1 17. So 16 plus 1 by 4. That is 17 by 4, and that is your answer. If the question is given like this, that you have to check this. So first you have to put the values in LHS, find the values, and then find the values for RHS, and they will definitely match, means LHS is equal to RHS. So this type of question we have to do it. One simplification question I am going to solve it. So the exercise means in exercise 6C. Now, so actually I have taken that previous question was from exercise 6C. So now I'm going to take the question of exercise 6B. Question number 17 is 4 by 3, that is 4 by 3 x square y z, then 1 by 3 y square zx into minus 6 x y z square. It is given. So now first we have to multiply the numeral values. So 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 into minus 6. Then x square, x power 2, here x power 1, here x power 1, plus 1 and plus 1. Then y power 1 plus 2 plus 1. And then z power 1 plus 1 plus 2. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So minus 8 by 3, x power 4, y power 4 and z power 4. So this way you have to find out the product. And here one question is, find the value of two monomials are given and for which the variable value is also given. So we are going to solve it for this, these given values, and the question is, two by 5 a square b multiply with minus 15 b square ac multiply with minus 1 by 2 c square, and we have to verify the result for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. So first we have to find it out the product, then we have to verify the question for these given values. So verify means this is the given question. So first 2 by 5 multiply with 15 multiply with minus 1 by 2. These are the numeral values, and here a square, here a power 2 plus 1 into b power 1 plus 2 and into c power 1 plus 2. So 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. So here we left with minus minus plus. So 3a cube b cube c cube. Right? So this you can consider it as LHS, and this is RHS. So we have to verify it. It means we have to take LHS, right? Verify it for LHS and then verify it for RHS. So for LHS, put values of A, B and C here. 2 by 5 into 1 square into 2 into minus 15 into 2 square into 1 into 3 into minus 1 by 2 into 3 square. So here 2 2 ja 4, 4 by 5 multiply with 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, minus 15 into 12 into 3 3 ja 9, minus 9 by 2. Here 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, right? And now we have to multiply it. And again 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, right? So 4 3 ja 12 and 6 9 ja, 54. Here minus and minus become plus, so 54 into 12. So 12 4 ja 48, carry 4, 12 5 ja 60, plus 4 64. This value we have got in LHS, and in RHS we have got 3a cube means 1 cube, 2 cube and 3 cube. So 3 into 1 into 8 into 27, 8 3 ja 24 into 27. Now we have to multiply it. So 27 4 ja 108. No. Yes. 3 4 ja 12. Yes, 108. Carry 10. 27. 2 is 54 plus 10. 64, right? So here you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. So it means we have verified the values. So this way you have to solve the questions. So this was monomial binomial multiplication. In binomial you have to means in monomial into binomial. What you have to do is you have to always use a distributive law, right? So we are going to take example and understand how we find the product of that. Suppose question is 9 by 2 x square y, and we have to take the product with x plus 2y. So we have to take the distributive law. We are going to apply the distributive law, means first multiply with this monomial with first term and then with second term. So 9 by 2 x square y with x plus 9 by 2 x square y with 2y. Now take the product, means multiply first the numerals. Here no numeral values are given, so 9 by 2 x square power 2 power 1 power 3, so 2 plus 1 into y, and here 9 by 2 into 2 and into x square y power 1 plus 1. So here we get 9 by 2 x cube y plus 2 1 is 2, 9 x square y square. Right, so this is the answer. So this way you have to solve the question. One more way is also there, means the column method. This is the horizontal method. You can also go with column method. So if question is given like this, here actually question is for binomial, but in one question it is given as a trinomial. So now I'm going to take the simplification. Rest questions are very easy. Please solve it. So I'm going to take one simplification question. That is question number 26 of exercise 6C. Question is 4st in a bracket s minus t minus 6s square t minus t square minus 3t square 2s square minus s plus 2st s minus t. Here this is the question. Now in each case we have to apply the distributive law. So 4st into s minus 4st into t minus 6s square into t, minus and minus becomes plus. So 6s square into t square minus 3 t square into 2s square, minus and minus becomes plus, 3t square into s, then 2s t into s and minus 2st into t. Now 4s square t minus 4st square minus 6s square t plus 6, this is 6, s square t square minus 3 to just 6, s square t square plus 3 st square plus 2 s square t minus 2 st square. Now we have to make the group of like terms. Here s square t means 4s square t. Here 2s square t, 4 to 6. 6s square t with positive sign, and here 6s square t with negative sign. You can cancel it out. Now 4st square with minus sign and minus 2st square, so 6st square is here, and 3st square with positive sign, so we're left with minus 3st square, and here this is 6. Here 6s square t square is here, minus 6s square s square t square is here, so we can cancel it out, and this is your answer. So they are very easy questions. You have to practice it, and in the multiplication of monomial with the binomial, you have to always apply the distributive law while you are solving this question by horizontal method. If you are going with column method, it is also good. Practice it. Both the methods are easy, so make one method handy, right, so that you can simply solve it. Now we are going to start the third part of this multiplication, that is binomial with the binomial. And for that you have to apply both the methods. So one question I am taking and applying both the method, means I am going to solve this question by both the methods. Question is 3x plus 5y, and we have to take the product with 5x minus 7y. So here I am going to solve it by horizontal method, and here is by column method. So here we have to apply a distributive law 2 times. So 3x and then 5x minus 7y, and then plus 5y, 5x minus 7y, right? So 3x into 5x minus 3x into 7y plus 5y into 5x minus 5y into 7y. So 5 3s are 15, x square, 5 into 3, or you can write it as 3 into 5, x power 1 plus 1 minus 3 into 7, x into y, or xy you can write it, plus 5 into 5 xy, and here 5 into 7 y power 1 plus 1. So here we get 15 x square minus 21 xy plus 25 xy minus 35 y square. Then 15x square, here 21 xy and 25 xy, we'll get 4xy with positive sign minus 35 y square. This is the answer by horizontal method. Now I'm going to apply the column method. So 3x plus 5y and 5x minus 7y. So in normal multiplication we start from the right and goes towards left, but in the column method we start of the algebraic expression, we start from the left and goes towards right. So 5 3s are 15 x square plus 5 5s are 25 xy minus 7 3s are 21 xy minus 35 y square. Then add them. 15x square plus 4xy minus 35 y square. This is your answer. So this way you can also solve it. I'm going to take one or two questions. So one question is x cube minus y cube, and we have to take the product with x square plus y square. So I'm going to solve it by column method. X cube minus y cube and x square plus y square. X square into x cube, so x power 5. Sorry. So x power 5 and minus x square y cube plus y square x cube and minus y power 5. So here x power 5 minus x square y cube plus x cube y square minus y power 5. This is the answer. One trinomial and one binomial is also given in the question. Question number 26 of exercise 6D. X square minus 5x plus 8, x square minus 5x plus 8 and x plus 2, I think. X square plus 2. So x square plus 2 is given, so we have to multiply it this way, or you can also prefer the horizontal method. I'm going to apply the horizontal method. So x square into x square plus 2 minus 5x x square plus 2 plus 8 x square plus 2, then x power 4 plus 2x square, right? X power 2 plus 2, 4. So minus 5x power 1 plus 2, that is x cube, minus 2 5 is 10x plus 8x square plus 16. Now x power 4 here minus 5x cube, here 2x square 8x square, so plus 10x square minus 10x plus 16. This is answer. Now simplification questions are also given. So one simplification question I'm going to solve it. Rest questions, just practice it. And if you have any problem in any question, let me know, we'll discuss on it. Right, all these questions in which you are having problem, we'll discuss these questions. 30th question, the simplification I'm going to take here. Two x plus 5y, 3x plus 4y, then minus 7x plus 3y and 2x plus y. This is given. Now 2x into 3x plus 4y plus 5y, 3x plus 4y. Look, here we have applied the distributive law, right? Here binomial is given, here binomial is given, so we have applied distributive law. And again for this, minus in a bracket 7x, then 2x plus y, and plus 3y, 2x plus y. Bracket close. Now 2 3s are 2x into 3x plus 2x into 4y plus 5y into 3x plus 5y into 4y minus in a bracket 7x into 2x plus 7x into y plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into y. Now 2 3s are 6, so 6x square plus 2 4s are 8, x into y xy plus 3 5s are 15, x into y that is xy, 5 4s are 20, y into y that is y square. I have done directly actually, right? What we have to do, first multiply the numerals. 2 into 3 that is 6, x into x that is x square, 2 into 4 that is 8, x into y xy, 5 into 3 that is 15, x into y that is xy, and 5 4s are 20, y into y y square, right? Minus 7 to the 14 x square plus 7xy plus 3 to the 6xy plus 3y square. Add the common terms. 6x square plus 8, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8, 23 plus 20 y square minus in a bracket 14x square plus 7 plus 6, 13 xy plus 3y square. Now 6x square plus 23xy plus 20y square minus 14x square minus 13xy minus 3y square. Now here x square, 6x square with positive sign, 14x square with negative sign, so take the difference, minus 8x square, 23xy with positive, 13xy with negative, so plus 10xy, 20y square, 3y square, so 17y square. That is the answer. So this way you have to solve the questions of this algebraic expression and take the product. Solve the questions. If you have any queries or any doubt in any of the questions of the exercise or of the examples, let me know, we'll discuss on it. So till then, thank you, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay at home. See you again, bye bye.